If your lead generation strategy in 2025 still looks like it did in 2019, you're not just behind, you're probably bleeding money. Because what worked 5 years ago, 6 years ago, boosted posts, gated content, clickbait funnels, it doesn't convert like it used to. And right now, the cost of bad lead generation is higher than ever. If you're a small business owner relying on guesswork or yesterday's playbook, you're going to get buried by competitors who are moving faster, smarter, and more strategically. So in this video, I'm going to give you the exact methods top performing businesses are using to generate not just leads, but the highest quality leads in 2025 without wasting time, burning ad budgets, or begging people to opt in. And in case you don't know, I'm Brandy with Life Marketing, the digital marketing agency that's generated over 4.8 million leads for small businesses from Facebook ads alone. We ourselves went from generating less than 50 leads a month to over 400. So if you'd rather us handle all of your marketing and lead generation for you so that you can focus on your business and scale at the same time, you can schedule a free strategy call. Link will be down below. For everybody else wanting to tackle this on their own, let's get into how to do it. Before we talk tactics, here's what most people miss right out of the gates. Lead generation is not about getting contact info. It's about qualifying intent. If your funnel is just designed to collect names and emails, you'll end up with a bunch of unqualified leads who ghost your calls, ignore your follow-up, and never buy. In 2025, it's not about more leads, it's about the right leads. Smart businesses are now designing many trust-building journeys that qualify their audience before they even click the CTA or call to action. This changes everything from how you run ads to how you design your landing pages to how you follow up. So let's get into the 3 best lead generation methods we're seeing work across thousands of client campaigns right now. Method number 1, value first content funnels. Instead of running ads to lead magnets with zero context, top brands are now creating content-based pre-frames. This looks like short-form reels, YouTube shorts, and TikToks that solve micro problems. Value-packed carousels or blog snippets shared across channels, and video trainings that teach before they pitch. The reason this works is because you give value up front, so by the time they land on your funnel, they already trust you. And trust is statistically required in order for them to make a purchase with you. Lead quality goes up and cost per acquisition goes down. The key here is you're making the content the first conversion, not the form. Now, method number 2 is conversational lead capture. Forget static landing pages with long forms. In 2025, we're seeing massive success with conversational funnels. So what does that mean? We're talking about lead capture through Facebook Messenger, Instagram DMs, SMS, or chatbots, quizzes that guide leads based on their needs, and appointment setters who qualify leads live in real time. The reason we're seeing more success with conversational lead capture is because it feels more human. It feels relevant. It gets people to open up about what they actually want, which lets you segment, nurture, and close far more effectively. And then we have method 3, reverse funnels, which is lead generation from the bottom up. Now, I'm going to preface that this method will not work for everybody, but for the ones that it does, you can see insane results from it. Most funnels go from awareness to consideration to conversion, but right now, some businesses are seeing crazy results from flipping that with bottom-up lead gen. So how do you do that? You start by retargeting people who have already visited your pricing page, serve customer spotlight ads or ROI case studies, and invite warm traffic to free calls or back-end offers first, then nurture them after the conversion. Here's why this works for some businesses. You're letting your most serious prospects raise their hand first, and then letting the rest of your funnel catch up to them. This method drastically reduces time to sale and boosts ROI from day one. Now, here's the real secret. Every lead generation system that works in 2025 shares one thing. It respects the buyer's journey, gives first, listens closely, and builds trust before you pitch. If you do that, you don't need to rely on tricks or high ad spend. You'll generate better leads, close more deals, and actually enjoy the process again. If you're serious about dialing in your lead generation this year and want help building a funnel that's actually built for how people buy in 2025, we'd love to help. Click the link in the description to book a free strategy call with our team. We'll show you exactly how to create a system that brings in the right leads and turns them into revenue.